Aluminum or all-natural, which deodorant is best for you? This is a question that has sparked debates and discussions in many corners of the world. Why, you might ask? Because it's not just about smelling fresh and feeling confident. The choice of deodorant goes beyond the surface, impacting your health and well-being. Today, we bring you the Great Deodorant Showdown, a comprehensive exploration of the pros and cons of aluminum and all-natural deodorants. Aluminum deodorants, often criticized for their potential health risks, but praised for their effectiveness. On the other side, we have all-natural deodorants, known for their eco-friendly ingredients, yet sometimes questioned for their efficiency. Each has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, and we're here to lay them all out on the table. This showdown will arm you with the knowledge to make an informed decision, one that suits your lifestyle and health needs. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of deodorants. First up, we have aluminum-based deodorants, but what makes them so popular? The answer, in short, is their effectiveness. Aluminum deodorants work by plugging sweat ducts, thereby reducing the amount of sweat that reaches the skin's surface. Less sweat means less odor, making these types of deodorants a go-to for those with a busy lifestyle. But it's not just about sweat reduction. Aluminum deodorants also have antibacterial properties, which can help to further reduce body odor. They come in a range of fragrances too, accommodating a variety of personal preferences. Now, let's talk about the potential drawbacks. Some people may experience skin irritation from aluminum deodorants, which can manifest as redness, itching, or even a rash. And then there's the controversy surrounding their safety. While research is ongoing, concerns have been raised about potential links between aluminum deodorants and certain health conditions. Aluminum deodorants certainly have their benefits, but they're not without their potential downsides. Next, let's explore the world of all-natural deodorants. Are they a safer bet? As it turns out, these deodorants have their fair share of advantages. For starters, they're free from potentially harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and yes, aluminum. This means they're a lot gentler on the skin, making them a great choice for those with sensitivity issues. But what about their effectiveness? Well, it's a mixed bag. Some people find all-natural deodorants just as potent as their aluminum counterparts, while others might notice a slight dip in performance. It can be a bit of a trial and error process to find the one that works best for you. And then, there's the elephant in the room: the cost. All-natural deodorants are often pricier than traditional ones, so while they may offer a potentially safer alternative, it's worth considering these factors before making the switch. All-natural deodorants offer a potentially safer alternative, but they might not be for everyone. So, aluminum or all-natural? Which one should you choose? We've journeyed through the highs and lows of the Great Deodorant Showdown. On one side, we've seen the aluminum deodorants, the stalwarts of sweat blocking, with their long-lasting protection and wide availability. But they come with their own set of concerns, from skin irritation to potential health risks. On the flip side, we've got the all-natural alternatives. They're the champions of chemical-free freshness, boasting ingredients you can pronounce and understand. However, they might not pack the same punch when it comes to heavy sweating situations. In the end, it's all about balance. It's about weighing the pros and cons, considering your lifestyle, your skin sensitivity, and your personal comfort. Neither option is inherently superior. It's a matter of what works best for you. In the end, the best deodorant for you is the one that meets your personal needs and preferences. It's your body, your choice.